Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about physical education and sports for children with special needs, that is for the deaf persons. Today, physical education, it is not only for the normal person, it is for deaf person also. They also participate in physical activity with full enthusiasm like in Paralympic games, Special Olympic, Deaf Olympic, etc. They also participate, and there are various people who support like counselors, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, etc. Today we will discuss about adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education. First is physical education. Physical education and adaptive physical education. Physical education means physical education. Physical education means education through movement. The knowledge which we get from the movement is known as physical education. Okay, physical education means the knowledge which we get from the movement. As the physical education program cannot be used for a normal persons, for a disabled persons, therefore we have to modify the physical education program for a disabled persons. This is known as adaptive physical education. Okay, adaptive means adapt. Okay, adaptive physical education means adapt or adjust, or we can say modify or fit. Okay, adaptive physical education. Adapt means to adapt or to adjust, or we can say modify the physical education program for our children with special needs to meet their unique needs. Okay, adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical adaptive physical adaptive physical education means adjusting or modifying the physical educational program. Okay, physical educational program for our children with special needs. Adaptive physical education means adjusting or modifying the physical education program for a person with disability to meet their unique needs. This is about the adaptive physical. So this is about the adaptive physical education. Okay, adaptive physical education means education through physical movement, and adaptive physical education adaptive means to adapt or to adjust or to modify or to fit disability to meet their unique needs. Or we can say adaptive physical education. It is a science and arts of developing, implementing, and monitoring of carefully designed physical educational physical educational program. Okay, carefully designed physical educational program for children, children with special needs, for a program for a learner with disability. Okay, for a learner, or you can say for a learner with disability. Physical education. Adaptive physical education, it is an art and science of developing, implementing and monitoring a carefully designed physical education program for a learner with disability. Okay. And adaptive physical education, the aim, it is the sub-part of a physical education. So it contains all the elements of physical education, that is physical development, mental development, social development, emotional, psychological, etc. Okay, it is a sub-part of physical education. Therefore, it contains all the objective of physical education, that is physical, mental, social, psychological, emotional, personality, etc. development of a person. Next is aim. What is the aim of adaptive physical education? The aim of adaptive physical education is to ensure that each and every child is provided with physical education service according to his needs, to meet their unique needs. Okay, the aim of adaptive physical education is to ensure that each and every child is provided by physical education service to meet their unique needs. This is about the aim of adaptive physical education. Okay, the aim is to ensure that each and every child is provided with physical education service to meet his or her unique needs. Okay, this is about the Adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education means adjusting or modifying the physical education program for a program. Adjusting the physical education program for a person with disability, or we can say developing, implementing and monitoring a carefully designed physical education program for a learner with disability. Okay, for a learner with disability. And the aim is to ensure that each and every child is provided with physical education service. Next is objective. What are the objectives of adaptive physical education? The objective of adaptive physical education is physical development, mental development, social development, developing individualized educational program, developing motor skill, developing social quality, developing confidence in a child, etc. These are the objectives of adaptive physical education. Objectives. First is individualized educational program. Educational program. The first objective is individualized educational program. Objective. First is individualized. Individualized educational program. The first objective is individualized educational program. The educational program or the training methods for a disabled child, it should be individualized according to their needs, according to their ability. Okay? The training program, the educational program, it should be individualized according to their needs, according to their disability. Development of motor skill. Motor skill means development of child bones, muscles which help to do hip movement. So, adaptive physical education, it's help in development of a person's bones and muscles which help him to do the movement. If he participate in physical activity, then there will be the proper growth and development of his bones, muscles, etc. Active participation. Active participation. The child should actively participate in physical activity according to his or her own levels. Okay, and we should motivate him to participate in physical activity. Self-esteem means confidence. If a child participates in physical activity, then it's hard to develop confidence in a person, confidence in a child. So, by participating in physical activity, the confidence will develop. Social quality. social qualities like adjustment, cooperation, togetherness, etc. This type of social quality will develop if you participate in physical activity, because whenever we participate in physical activity, he interact with the other persons, he interact with his teammate, by which he know how to coordinate, how to adjust with others, how to cooperate with each others, how friendship, etc. This type of social quality will develop in a child. Next is physical development. Physical development. By adaptive physical education, it's help in physical development of a child. Physical development means development of a child, bones, muscles, etc. Next is psychological development. Psychological development. Physical activity, it helps in psychological development of a person. The persons will able to control his mind, emotion, emotional development. If you participate in physical activity, various type of emotions he face, various type of emotion like hate, anger, aggressiveness, etc. This type of emotions he will face. Therefore, the persons will know how to face this type of emotion. He will understand how to control his emotions. He will know how to control his emotions. Next is physical, mental, social, emotion, etc. These are the some objective of adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education means adjusting the physical educational program for a person with disability to meet his or her unique needs. And the objective is individualized physical educational program. A physical educational program, it should be individualized. Development of their motor skill, active participation, developing social quality in him, developing how to control the emotions, etc. This type of objective will develop if you participate in physical activity. Next is organization. Promoting adaptive physical education. There are various organizations which promote adaptive physical education like International Federation of Federation of Adaptive Physical Activity. It is the International Federation of Adaptive Physical Activity. It is the organizations It is the organization which promote adaptive physical education. Okay, organizations promoting adaptive physical education like International Federation of Adaptive Physical Education. He make all the rules and regulations which has to be followed in adaptive physical education, the essay and guide. International Federation of Adaptive Physical Education, the essay and guide the International Special Olympic, Paralympic, Deaflympic, etc. And the other organizations and agency which work under this are like counselors, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, special educators, etc. Okay, other organizations and agency which work under this are Paralympic, Deaflympic, etc. Next is Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat. It is an organization Special Olympic Bharat Special Olympic International. Special Olympic International, it is at international level. International level, and this is for national level. Special Olympic Bharat, it is for the intellectuals. It is for the intellectual disability. Intellectual disability disabled person. So, first is Special Olympic Bharat. Special Olympic Bharat, it is an organization which is approved by National Sports Federations and Special International Olympic for the development of a person with intellectual disability. Okay, the first point is that Special Olympic Bharat, it is an organization which is approved by National Sports Federations and Special Olympic International for the development of person with intellectual disability. Special Olympic Bharat, it came in India in 1988 as Special Olympic Program with the formation of Special Olympic India in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the movement has across 10,000 athletes enrolled with it at that time, and its name changed as Special Olympic Bharat in 2001. And Special Olympic Bharat, it is an organization approved by National Sports Federation and International Special International Olympic for the development of a person with disability. Special Olympic Bharat, it's help in complete development of a person's, it's give training to them so that they participate in physical activities. It's create a role models who motivate them. Create a role models, motivate them to participate in physical activity. They also train the teachers how to deal with this type of persons, this type of child. Ensure maximum involvement of the community so that the community accept the disabled persons, and it also organizes activity at local level, national, international, state levels, etc. and give training, help in complete development of child, proper medical checkup, health checkup, etc. These are the um, some effort which is done by the Special Olympic Bharat for the person with intellectual disabled.